What's up, guys? This is Phillyswords RC. Today I got my Arrma Kraton EXB 8S. What I'm doing, I ain't doing nothing special today. It's a nice day and I wanted to get the big rig out and run her. Having a problem with my steering. Got an upgraded Servox servo. But I want to just run her today basically. Let's get into it. Yeah, that turning is bad. Lucky the tires help it to rotate. Hey, let me check them lugs, man. This thing is wobbling a little too much for me. Be right back. I see what's wrong with it. I do see what the problem is. Yeah, this thing is a beast. I know what caused that too when I was at the last run with this car. Something is broke. Got them Power Hobby tires, I mean the Pro Line tires on there. I should have did a off-road speed test. Kicking up a line of dirt, I see that, man. That didn't work out too well, did it? I'm running 2 Gen Ace batteries, 800 milliamps. Yeah. I just fixed that steering. I got control over it still, but it's a little off. Like right turns is cool, fine. It's fine on right turns, but left turn, not so much. Okay, I was wrong. It's fine on left turns. No right turns. Perfect. Yeah, right turns is good. Left turns, we having a problem. Yeah, I ain't gonna get no jumps today. Yeah, these batteries ain't no joke though. They are no joke. That time really cold. Whoa. Yeah, this is my beast right here. Ouch. Do a takeoff. Ouch. Oh yeah, that handling board. I mean, that suspension is on. Yeah, that suspension working though, man. I mean, impressive. Yeah, this thing is a pure beast. It's a jump somewhere. I think it's right here. Nah. Come on, you got it. Yo. Yeah. Look at this thing go ahead. Look at that. I don't know, I noticed it ain't really yo, taking on trees and everything else. Yo, this thing is a pure monster, man. Pure monster. Hey, hold it down though. LBC. Yo.